if you're asking me a part that stayed with me relatively longer in comparison to the others that I played, I would say Shutu.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? What is up?
I'm
क्या
good. How are you
हालचाल?
guys?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया. Vikrant, you know what? Before you joined it, I don't know if you saw it. I was like, जो आज के हमारे guest है, he's just omnipresent. I
I
feel
heard that.
that
I heard
I
that.
see his, and I'm saying it in the most positive way,
Thank
in
you
the
so
most
much.
nicest way. It's a compliment.
Thank you so much.
Guys,
Thanks.
अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है विक्रांत कौन है तो मतलब मुझे लगता है कि आप जी ही नहीं रहे हो. You're from another planet. I am so happy and so
नहीं
excited
नहीं
कि मैं
ऐसा
आज
भी नहीं
आपसे
है
बात
यार
करने
ऐसा
वाला
भी
हूं.
नहीं है. It's fine.
नहीं
It's fine.
ऐसा है. I'm assuring you ऐसा है. Vikrant, your um, please allow me to say this. Your success
Sorry
and
मैं एक सेकंड चश्मा पहन लूं
you
मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा यार बिना चश्मे के.
please. We want you to see us. We want you to see all the comments. Yes.
Yeah. Hi.
Clearer.
Hi.
Vikrant, as I was saying, and this, I don't want this to come across because आप मेरे सामने बैठे हो. Your success and whatever you do makes me even more happier because there has never been any backing. I have seen you from the time of Balika Vadhu. I have seen you, like, as a viewer, I have seen you really push the boundary and
Thank you
take
so
projects
much यार. Thank you so
and
much.
take projects that are so risky, you know, and take parts that are so meaningful. Many congratulations, Vikrant.
Thank you
And this
so
is
much.
coming from a genuine admirer. I wish you the best. I wish, you know, your success will mean so much to all of us
Thank you so much.
because
Thank
I
you.
think you've really worked hard and you've proved that if you really keep pushing, you know, you end up really getting a lot of success. So, Vikrant,
Thank you so
that is
much
me
यार.
just
बस भाई
getting
बस
this out of the way.
यार इससे ज्यादा तारीफ सुनने की आदत नहीं है मुझे.
नहीं अब हमने वो चीज साइड पे कर दी है बट विक्रांत हाउ आर यू डूइंग अब तो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है तो
लॉकडाउन
हाउ आर
चल
यू
रहा है.
यूटिलाइजिंग योर टाइम
Before we begin, I really want to thank each and every person who's already here, who's live with
यस
us. Thank you so much for joining us, taking out the time, and listening to what we say. तो क्या चल रहा है क्वारंटीन में क्या चल रहा है कुछ नहीं यार घर पे बैठे हैं आई एम रियली enjoying this time like if I could say without offending anyone in the sense obviously these are difficult times but
यस
but
यस
besides that if you ask me कि घर पे कैसे time जा रहा है I think it's good enough. I am home after a very long time for
Of
such a
course,
long period
you've
of
been
time.
working a lot. You've been working a lot, which we can
Like
see for
everyone
sure.
else, I've been out shooting, and you know, since 2017. In fact, since I started shooting Mirzapur, end August
Yeah.
September 2017, we filmed Mirzapur. तब से मतलब I only come back to Bombay like a week max, and then I fly back.
And then you are involved in another project.
Sometimes it's the same project, sometimes
Yeah.
it's another project. So yeah, so I am like really sort of happy home, happy with the fact that you know my parents are safe and fine, and yeah, so
For sure.
touch
But we can't tell me that of course like you mentioned कि of course there is health crisis. वो तो मतलब मैं हमेशा बात करता हूँ कि I understand कि इस you know because of COVID and because of the fact कि अभी it's a lockdown there are repercussions कि लोगों को घर पर रुकना पड़ रहा है essential services में जो लोगों को अभी भी बाहर रहना पड़ रहा है but I still say that I'm not complaining. How do you recognize yourself? Like is Vikrant somebody who जिसको ऐसे हलचल सी मच जाती है कि यू नो आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग लाइक देयर आर पीपल हु सो वर्कहोलिक्स उनको लगता है कि हम दिन में कुछ ना करें तो वी फील a certain way.
yeah.
Are you like that or are you like, you know what, to be honest, I'm taking a breather and I'm chill. मेरे को कुछ इतना वो नहीं हो रहा है.
Like to begin with the way you said you know कि essential services के लिए अभी भी बहुत लोगों को जाना पड़ रहा है. They have to step out. In fact, I also step out like say once a week, obviously to get perishables. You know, सब्जियां तो खरीदनी पड़ती है. You really can't stock for veggies for more than a
Exactly.
week.
Yes.
तो
Yes.
उसके लिए जाना पड़ रहा है. But you know, I really have to say this thing through you guys that I've said it on Twitter. I've said it like a lot of times, but I'm really so proud of you know every single person, the health officials, the law and order enforcement authorities. They've done such an incredible job. You know, considering the density of our population and the mass of our population, you know, I think we've done considerably comparatively well. And I'm just keeping my
Yes.
fingers crossed like the rest of them. You know, I would also इसी लगे हाथ में ये भी अपील करूंगा जो आप सब सुन सुन के शायद थक चुके होंगे, बट आई वुड स्टिल वांट टू इंसिस्ट,
which is important.
because
Yes.
nobody is actually somewhere down the line, like 3 days ago, today is Friday, yeah, so Tuesday I'd stepped out to get sabzi and out, and there are people who are still out, जिनको मुझे ऐसा लगता है शायद बाहर रहने की जरूरत नहीं है, तफरी जिसे कहते हैं, तफरी मार रहे हैं लोग,
Tafri maar rahe hain.
there are people out there who are, we've had the Mumbai police, say it time and again. We've had the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji saying this time and again. We've had, every single person come out on multiple platforms, say it again and again. So I would do the same. Please, stay at home. We all are in this together, and we have to make sure that we look after each other, not just ourselves, but, the ones who are around us also. And how like initially, to begin with, it really did not sink in when this lockdown happened, because it's very
Initially, yes.
ना ऐसा हम लोगों ने
Yes.
कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया ही नहीं है यार. Neither is my parents is neither of my parents' generation, they've experienced it, क्योंकि जैसे ही ये शुरू हो गया था ना, तो my father and my mother straight away went back to the wars which they were a part of. तो वो कहते थे कि जब रात को हम लोग लाइटें ऑफ कर देते थे, we would put black chart papers on our windows, तो वो अपने किस्से सुनाने
They
लगते
were
हैं.
also
They're
tough
like, but
times.
ये
Yeah.
हमने they were really tough times, and I think like everyone is reiterating again and again, we are on a war footing with this invisible enemy, and
Yes, absolutely.
so yeah. But initially I was like sort of happy to begin with कि चलो ठीक है, कुछ टाइम घर पे रहने मिलेगा. I'll be home, I'll be able to do things that I want
At
to.
least take a breather. Take a
Yeah,
breather.
take a
Yeah.
breather. But
Somebody just commented बबलू भैया कैसे हैं आप, और मिर्जापुर 2 के बारे में कुछ हिंट दीजिए. मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि Vikrant, I feel like whether it is Mirzapur or whether it is, all of your recent ones, criminal justice, whether it's you doing, you take up parts which I feel somebody who's pursuing acting is like, why did he do it? And when it comes out, how did he do it? You take characters like that. Like, मैं एक चीज को definitely सबके सामने appreciate करना चाहता हूँ, and I've interrupted you also, but it's just coming from the heart. Chhapak movie mein, I feel like we all know the movie was about the acid attack victim. She is a survivor, and Deepika was main protagonist. She was the center of the stage. And you have been somebody who's, you've not shied away. You've not been scared. I will not be in the major limelight. I will be a step back from Deepika, even though you are the central part of the character with Deepika. But मुझे लगता है as an actor that's commendable, that it's not कि आपको होता है कि मुझे तो limelight चाहिए, मुझे have to be the face of the film, even if you're not, but you're doing a film that is so important for people to watch, and a project that is so important.
That's what's more important.
Yes.
Because when you sort of identify and realize the larger cause, no matter how big or small your part is, you really want to be a part of something like this, because
Yes.
Yes, as an actor, I wouldn't sort of lie कि हाँ हम कई बार सोचते हैं शायद, या मैं at least I can speak for myself कि मैं कई बार सोचता हूँ कि ठीक है, मुझे central parts भी करने चाहिए, मुझे ये भी करना चाहिए, मुझे वो भी करना चाहिए. But when something like a Chhapak comes up in front of you, and when you get an opportunity to work, most importantly, representing the being the voice of the acid attack survivors, and to work with people like Meghna Gulzar and Deepika Padukone, and it's an opportunity of a lifetime, and to be a part of a story which is so important. So
Absolutely.
I don't think it's just me. I think any artist who would be approached by this team would anyway, एक झटके में वही opportunity को, they'll grab it with open arms, and the same was the case with me. But you're really kind. Thank you so much. But I think for me, somewhere down the line, I have very consciously over these years, even when I was doing television, I was never apprehensive of taking up supporting parts. Is because, अगर सभी ये सोचेंगे कि मैं central part करूंगा, तो फिर जो दूसरे important parts होते हैं वो कौन करेगा यार? And also
somebody also commented saying, loved your acting in Criminal Justice, and you've been entertaining us very well. Please continue. I also want to keep telling you what people are saying, because I feel like these should reach you.
मैं भी देख रहा हूँ.
I think because I think as actors,
I can't say.
I
Like
think
someone
कि
saying,
मुझे
someone
लगता
is
है
saying, can you sing over Sajana? And I'm like, no, no, I would really. जितने भी गिनती के बच्चे कुचे लोग हैं वो भाग जाएंगे सारे यहाँ से.
कि नहीं, of course not. I think मुझे लगता है कि yes, please पहले तो continue. You were saying something.
Huh. So what I was saying is, कि, to get an opportunity like this to work with this incredible team and to be a part of the story, it's an honor, in fact.
Absolutely.
So far, like the film is done really well. We've reached out to the audiences we wanted to. I'm
Yes.
extremely proud of it, and I will always be. Yeah.
And Vikrant, I feel like कि ये तो of course एक बहुत important मुद्दा था ही, which I wanted to discuss in front of everyone, and also wanted to let everyone know कि you have not been scared to take up parts that are I, for the lack of better term मैं risky बोल रहा हूँ, but parts that would otherwise any mainstream actor would be like, I'm not so sure.
I think
But
this
you
goes
take up.
way back. This trait goes way back. Even during my TV days, if I remember correctly, I did a show called Baba Yasuvar Dhundo for a channel called. Sorry यार मेरे बाल थोड़े से ऐसे हैं इसीलिए टोपी पहनी है.
No worries at all. Yes.
So I did the show called Baba Yasuvar Dhundo for NDTV Imagine. In
Oh, I saw that. I
You
saw
saw
that. I
that,
remember
right?
watching that. I remember watching that for sure.
And तो उस time पे when the producers reached out to me, they were so honest about it. It was their first production venture in television, and they reached out to me, and they're like, we want you to play a part in a story, and the central part. And I said, oh yeah, I would love to, because Balika करके ही मैं निकला था तभी. And
जी,
I was also
जी.
looking at opportunities wherein I could get some more meat in the parts that I play. So but they were really honest. They told me, कि you're not the first person we reached out to, you're the sixth actor we reached out to, because it is about someone who's vertically challenged, and it's about the stigma that she faces, and in a way he's the supporting part, he's the backbone of that character. And
Absolutely.
the moment they said, you are the sixth person we reached out to, something in me said, okay, probably this is something that
So
I
many
should
people have rejected this. Yeah.
Yeah. And I think risky, yeah, even for a lack of better term, risky, I think unconventional, if we could say, or
Unconventional, for sure. For sure.
unconventional, if we could say. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I don't know, I really don't know, I haven't thought much over it, but I think I take it as an opportunity, as a challenge. When I read parts, when I read scripts or stories or characters which are different, or uncharted in a lot of ways. It does
Yeah. Unexplored. Unexplored. Yeah.
unexplored. Yeah. So I would sort
Absolutely.
I sort of get this kick in me कि okay, इसको I think I should do it, because कोई नहीं कर रहा तो मुझे करना चाहिए. So I've always had this knack of picking up things which are a little sort of threading on a very
Lopsided. Yeah.
yeah,
Yes. Yes.
yeah, not lopsided,
But
but it's sort of very sensitive, like even lipstick under my
absolutely.
burqa. Lipstick under my
Oh
burqa.
yes. Oh, how can we forget that? I feel like that is also one iconic character that you played.
Thanks. So yeah, these are, and it really gives me a high. It really gives me a sense of satisfaction if by the end of it, when people say kind things like you're saying, so it really feels कि हाँ चलो ठीक है काम I think सही हुआ है, ठीक ही हुआ.
Somebody is commenting saying Messi is my inspiration. You have been inspiring people for sure.
Thank you so
Somebody's
much.
also said that they've loved you in Broken. I not just Broken. I think Dil Dhadakne Do bhi jab maine movie dekhi, so of course it was around this family of 4 people. But Vikrant, when I saw you also there was this sense of pride. I was like, wow, man.
Thank you
Like,
so much.
because
Yeah,
क्योंकि
it
मेरे को
was
लगता है
so
क्योंकि मेरे को
great.
लगता है मेरे को लगता है people who've really followed you ना have followed you from a really long time.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
when they see your trajectory and now you're a part of like films like Chapak, now even for example, I wanted to bring in this topic of Made in Heaven. You play a gay character, and I think that is also very, I mean, of course now we have all, like, I think this generation in total is very accepting towards the LGBTQ plus community, but you going out there and doing a role like this would I think a lot of people would still be hesitating, which also you answered कि you take up roles which challenge you, and I feel like कि kudos to you for doing that, क्योंकि I think आपकी वजह से people who are not from the filmy background, who want to be actors, look at you and give examples of you कि भाई this is this man who's taking up these various different roles in every project and still nailing every one of them, even if it's a small part in a Dil
A lot of
Dhadakne
it
Do.
also has to go to my directors. I'll be very honest, because I've been very lucky. at a very young stage in my film career especially, I worked with the likes of Vikram Motwane, I worked with Meghna Gulzar, I
जी
worked with Zoya Akhtar, I
जी
worked with Konkana Sen Sharma, I worked with Alankrita
ओ नाइस
Srivastav.
जी
Lucky, nahin? So
लकी
I think half my job is sort of taken care by these guys, and also I as an actor, probably because of my very early exposure to acting, if I can say, or
एक्टिंग
performance arts. I realized ki it's very important to deliver what your director wants, because they definitely have a larger picture. And almost 10 years of television is like, I've almost done a decade of television, and it
it's an
was
on the job training, it's an on the
on
job
the job
training for
training.
sure
And
for sure
I realized ki different directors have different mindsets and different approaches and perspectives. So I think it's very important, and it's very important to be थोड़ा अगर ज्ञानी बन के मैं बोल सकूं तो ब्रूस ली once said that you need to be like water. When you put water in a
any
glass, it
container
becomes the glass.
yeah
So
yeah
so
wow
the container, that form, to that thing that gives you shape, I think, is a director, a writer. And you
yes
really have to rely on them. And I think whatever I did, and also the diverse range that people talk about, like Shutu or maybe Lipstick on My Burqa.
जी
Yes, I wouldn't want to be extremely modest and say कि oh मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, but I really don't think कि मैंने अकेले ने कुछ किया. It's always an amalgamation of what my writers have thought, and the sync between my
how
writer
you've been
directing.
directed yeah for sure for sure for
Yeah.
sure you can also tell me मुझे लगता है कि because you play characters that are not so similar to each other, it's not that you're so दो questions, I know I'm bombarding you with questions, but these are the two
नहीं
things
नहीं
that I
आप
really want you to talk about and have gain your perspective. एक, is vanity a point of discussion? मतलब क्या six pack abs and chiseled beard and well kept hair, characters like those, like somewhat what you did in Dil Dharak, though you were a pretty well groomed guy, looks fit, wears the nicest clothes. This is one character that an Indian movie actor would want to do because it brings in a lot of attention. And then there are
anybody
characters
for that
like
matter of
uh,
fact.
for that matter anybody, yeah. And then
Very
there's a character like in Lipstick Under My Burqa who's rugged. In Chapak, totally not kept, and then the fact that you told that there are roles that you've done where you've been vertically challenged, जिसमें vanity नाम की कोई चीज नहीं है, अच्छा दिख रहा, अच्छे कपड़े, अच्छी looks नाम की कोई चीज नहीं है. How
yeah.
much do you pay attention to that? Do you even consider it, or do you not?
Do I consider vanity? Do I consider
Vanity in a
vanity?
role, yeah,
I it never crosses my mind, yeah. And
that is
I
amazing.
haven't
That is
been,
so
I haven't even
refreshing.
asked myself this question up until now.
Yeah,
No, yeah, vanity, I really don't think, and I'm really proud to be a part of this generation wherein we are sort of recognizing all forms of discrimination. 20 years down the line, fairness creams were like a part of our day-to-day life,
a thing, yeah,
a thing, but today they're not.
yeah.
So the kind of value system and the kind of hard work our parents have put in to educate us and to sort of help us grab a hold of life and understand life, I think it's sort of paid off. And I also, like anyone else, sort of learn, like as you said, on the job through experiences and observations. And yeah, so when I talk about playing parts which are very diverse, are very different, is vanity something that crosses my mind? Not at all. But if at
No,
all a
what I
part
mean to say is कि
requires that,
मतलब, yeah, I'm so sorry.
no,
Yeah, you
sorry.
were saying, you were saying.
No, maybe I haven't understood your question right. So you were saying?
So I was saying कि मतलब, of course, अब जब भी, like I was just saying, I was just experiencing the other day. Me and my parents, we were trying to click this family picture, and I remember it was like last year, and one of my relatives was like, एक रुको मुझे थोड़ा से अपने बाल ठीक करके आने दो. I'm sure कि कैमरा के आगे कोई भी थोड़ा बहुत conscious रहता है कि I have to look my best. But I think when I see the projects that you take up, I really don't see that. Okay, you are fixated
Okay,
on looking
that way.
beautiful.
Because
You look
I really
very
want to
you look very
represent.
authentic to the character. Yeah, yeah.
I want to represent the common man. My idea is to represent the common man, and I really think when I say I want to represent the common man, I really don't think on an average, if you say, vanity is the last thing a middle class guy would think. वो उसकी life की priorities कुछ और हैं यार. उसकी life की
बहुत different
priorities
है.
survival हैं. उसकी priorities, are like it's a never ending list यार.
Yes.
So
Yes,
So
absolutely.
also, you know, it sort of where you come from or what are your likes and dislikes, how do you see things. A lot of your own personality does play a part in the parts you choose eventually. You know, you really uh, carry a lot of what your philosophy or your idea
Of life,
of
how
life
have
and
you been
everything
raised?
in general.
Yes, yes,
So I have,
yes.
as you can see, yeah, I मैं कंघी भी नहीं करता मेरे
which
घर में
which I
कंघी नहीं
which I feel, Vikrant, is appreciation worthy, and I mean it in the best way possible. I feel it's so refreshing, like because now that I've recently moved to Mumbai, I've realized that people who really want to be into acting and want to do movies, they are so really fixated on, oh, we have to have a certain body type, we have to get
which is
continuous
great, you know,
face,
which
which is great.
exactly
Like
is
I'm saying, to be healthy and to stay
prioritize
groomed.
or prioritize, you know,
Yeah,
is what you're
yeah,
trying to
yeah,
say.
yeah. Yes,
I think to each his own, yaar. You know, there are so many
yeah.
different kinds of people in this world, and you know, to sort of, I always say this thing to people when I talk about my profession per se. You know, the most beautiful part about the profession that I am in is that it's the most democratic profession, and there are no rights or wrongs here. There are only
बिल्कुल.
perspectives. तो इसमें राइट और
Absolutely,
रॉन्ग का तो कोई
absolutely.
सवाल ही नहीं होता कि जो आर्ट फॉर्म होता है वो आर्ट में आप चाहे म्यूजिक हो चाहे पेंटिंग हो चाहे किताब लिख दी आपने या आपने कोई परफॉर्मेंस दे दी तो वो राइट आप कोई डांस कर रहा है देयर आर हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ डांसेस तो यू कांट
Yeah,
से कि ये राइट है या ये रॉन्ग है दे आर जस्ट डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन एंड डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स तो
absolutely.
my perspective is different. I carry a lot of my own individual perspective at work also. As I said, I want to represent the common man. I want to represent them. I want to interact with them. I want to talk to them. Because I'm a middle class guy. My as I said, जो एक लाइफ का ढांचा होता है, I think वो मिडिल क्लास वालों का ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर होता है सबकी प्रायोरिटीज ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर होती है तो मेरी अपब्रिंगिंग वैसी रही है hence I play parts which sort of people
Are close
resonate
to what you resonate with. बिल्कुल.
what I resonate with. And as I said, I've been lucky that I've got such parts which are closer to me, and then I've got such directors who are are far more well aware of what we are doing or what we want to do.
Amazing. Vikrant, आपने
There's so
इतने सारे
many
जो
people
characters
out there.
play किए.
I want to say I'm
There's so
reading
many
the
people saying
messages.
namaste. People
Namaste
saying you're our
simultaneously. Thank you
inspiration.
so much. Namaste. Namaste.
Vikrant, you've played so many characters. Can you tell us one character in particular that was the most difficult to really get into the skin of, and the character that has really stayed with you? Like मुझे लगता है कि because you play such varied characters, तो अब हर एक के लिए it's like you become a chameleon. You really like we can't see, oh, this is the same person who did this character. So
Thanks.
which character has still
I would
stayed
take
with
this as a
you?
compliment. Thank you. I would take this compliment. Wow.
Absolutely, absolutely. And which character has still stayed with you, and which was the most difficult to perform?
I really don't think I am someone who holds on to characters for really, really long because
No.
subconsciously, I think, over a period of time, वो fade out हो जाते हैं because then you're preparing for something else. Uh,
Yes.
if you're asking me a part that stayed with me relatively longer in comparison to the others that I played, I would say Shutu. Shutu from A Death in the Guns was something that
Yes.
really, really sort of, stayed with me even after we finished filming. And also the most difficult part was Shutu, for multiple reasons. There it was not just how I would deliver this part or how I would get, the mindset of this character, but also because, it was my first big central protagonist part. And
Yes.
that was Konkana's first film as a director.
Yes.
It
Yes.
was my producer's first film as a producer. So there were so many firsts that ना चाह के भी एक additional responsibility कहीं ना कहीं आ गई थी, which stayed with me even till the film released probably. So I always used to sit and think, I hope I've done right. I hope I've done right. I hope people. एक तो वैसे ही trilingual film है, छोटी film है,
Yeah.
कोई देखेगा
The
नहीं और जो
diaspora is
देखेगा
also
एटलीस्ट
big. A lot of people will watch it because of the language.
या बिकॉज ऑफ द
So
लैंग्वेज इट्स अ ट्राइलिंगुअल फिल्म यहाँ पे मतलब बाइलिंगुअल फिल्म नहीं देखता कोई तो ट्राइलिंगुअल तो बहुत दूर की बात है तो all of these reasons and the incredible ensemble that was around me. I was, the initial first few days of my workshop, I was really nervous. I had some of the finest actors that, in our country, by my side. So it was incredible.
I'm really happy. And Vikrant, tell me, you do not come from a filmy background. There's nobody in your entire khandan who is associated with the film industry.
No, but
Is it
my
is
grandfather was a theater actor.
theater actor?
My
So
my grandfather my
oh,
grandfather
that's
was a
nice.
theater actor. He used to. His name was Ravikant. He used to work in Shimla. My father is my entire paternal side is from Shimla. तो शिमला में जो गेटी थिएटर है, I'm sure you're aware of it.
Oh
शिमला का
yes,
जो
Gator,
गेटी
for
थिएटर,
sure, for sure, for
या
sure, for
क्राइस्ट
sure.
चर्च के बगल में जो है. So
Yes, yes.
शिमला का जो गेटी थिएटर है, he worked as a producer, actor, director, writer there for nearly
Oh
32,
nice.
34 years. He was he was awarded by the first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, twice in
Oh my
theater
God.
dramatics. Yeah.
Wow.
So,
I
and I
think
still have.
it runs in the blood. It runs in the blood then.
And then I asked my father कि why did you skip? He said कि यार हमें तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं थी, हमें तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि ये क्या होता है, पापा क्या करते हैं, वो सुबह उठ के चले जाते हैं सूट वूट पहन के, फिर आते हैं वो. मतलब my grandfather even came to Bombay. He all of
Oh
these guys,
nice.
they came to Bombay. He was a character artist in Hindi film industry for years. He did many films. Is किसी film
I
में दो
think that
scene कर लिए.
is something that is something news to me. It's just that I just found out right now. Which also like then explains a lot of things. Of course, I think it runs in the family for sure, which we can see.
Probably.
But Vikrant, मेरे को लगता है कि I think because your grandfather was in theater and now you are into it. But I still feel that there was not enough. Like I've watched a couple of your interviews. Like I feel like you've been working since you were in Balika Vadhu. I think that was the first time that I actually discovered you. And
Yeah,
उससे
everybody
लेके
discovered me only in Balika Vadhu. No, nobody knows that before Balika Vadhu, I had already done like 4 years of television. So Balika Vadhu
yeah.
was my fifth or sixth show. वो मेरा
And yeah,
पांचवा या
and I also found out in Balika Vadhu that this is not somebody who's just been launched.
Yeah,
This
I
is
had
somebody
already
who
done
we
4 years of work. I had
yes,
already
yes.
done 2 shows on Doordarshan. और उस टाइम पे दूरदर्शन में मतलब I remember it used to be so mad. 2008 नहीं 8 भी नहीं, उसके पहले की बात है, 2004-5 की बात है ये. तो आई यूज्ड टू डू दिस शो कॉल्ड राज की एक बात. एंड वहां पे साइक्लोरामा क्लॉथ लगा रहता है जिसको हम क्रोमा बोलते हैं, तो जो क्रोमा
Yes,
की
yes,
होता है ना,
yes.
ग्रीन क्लॉथ.
Yes.
So
Yes.
तो साइक्लोरामा क्लॉथ के आगे I used to stand and talk to an imaginative bhoot who's like humongous in size of a building, and I am doing my stuff. And when I would watch the telecast, it would be so funny. And I would be like, what the fuck यार, मतलब मैं यहाँ देख रहा हूँ, वो वहाँ देख रहा है, because technically used to be
Yeah,
so
उस टाइम
different.
पे animation ये हुई yeah.
So animation was like
But
just sort of picking up then. So I've done all of
but
that, yeah.
but we can't like since 2005 and it's been 15 years and so much
2004,
has been
19th of December 2004.
imagine more than 15 years. It's been more than 15 years and you have been continuously working and
And I
taking up
haven't even
parts and taking
started.
up
Let me sort of
and
plug this in as well.
which I'm sure which we are happy to learn. We are happy
I
to
haven't
learn
even
कि भी अभी
started.
और काम है. Of course. But tell me, you said that उस time पर आपने वो भी show किया जिसमें you're talking to this booth. Now you're taking up parts like we've discussed now. What is your dream genre? Something that you would really like to get into, explore more.
See, I have already been a part of my dream genre.
Mostly all. Mostly
Yeah,
all.
most of it. But I think drama is something that really sort of, it really excites me. Uh,
Amazing.
Also because I think human to human conflict, human to human interpersonal relationships really sort of,
Interpersonal relationship.
I think they really excite me. I think that is something which is life, I think, if I'm saying it
Absolutely.
right,
Absolutely.
कि जैसे हमने स्कूल में पढ़ा है ना कि मैन इज अ सोशल एनिमल. तो हम
Yeah.
जैसे अब हम क्वारंटीन में बैठे हैं, मान लो महीना हो गया, 2 महीना, 3 महीना, 6 महीने बाद भी अगर हम घर से निकलेंगे तो वी विल हैव टू इंटरेक्ट विद ईच अदर. You
Yeah.
can't live without a
You can't
society,
survive.
without
You can't survive. Yeah.
that way. So and human to human conflict मैंने also because of the books I started reading after college, and also because of things that I have seen or experienced in life, they've really sort of it really entices me in a lot of ways. And there's a lot of depth in it. There's much more to human to human or interpersonal relationships. So एक human contact होता है,
I think it's very interesting. It's deliciously interesting to know कि दो लोगों के बीच में ये relationship है. Like to explore that in a film.
And
I think
emotions हो
yeah.
गए या फिर ये सारी चीजें हो गई. It's like it's really interesting, because there's so much depth to
Somebody
it.
also mentioned in the comments saying कि you are such a versatile actor. And this person said, say, you're such a versatile actor. You are my most favorite actor, honestly saying. कि
Thank you
मतलब
so much, yeah. Thank you
I think
so
that
much.
is,
Thanks
I
so
want to
much.
keep, I want to keep, and guys, after this live even ends, you should go watch all of his shows at all of the OTT platforms and come back
Yeah.
to his
And
Instagram
my
and show him
movies
all
too,
the love
guys.
in
And
his
my
comments.
movies
Ki
too.
say, "Mujko ye bhi pata chalega." Everybody's saying कि broken and beautiful. It's another level of fandom that they have in the comments for it.
Yeah.
So tell me, Vikrant, you were also saying, I'm so sorry, I've interrupted you. I just want to read you out the comments as well. Please say.
Yeah, I can read. आप बहुत खूबसूरत हो सच्ची. Thank you, Bhagyashree. Thank you so much. That's so sweet.
You are
You're
multi-talented.
multi-talented. Thank you,
Yeah.
Asmita. Thank you, Asmita, so much. That's so sweet. The very fact that people actually, I keep reminding myself every day. There's so much of gratitude because वही, as you said, 15-16 साल काम करने के बाद भी आज भी लोग आपको और देखना चाहते हैं. आज भी लोग
Yeah.
अब तो ऐसा है कि पहले तो चलो उनको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी, घर पे बैठ के देख लेते थे, लेकिन अब लोग घर से निकल के टिकटें खरीदते हैं, फिल्में देखते
Yeah.
हैं, सब्सक्राइब करके शोज देखते हैं. सो दैट इज वेरी ग्रेटिफाइंग, एंड आई थिंक
That is,
इट्स
that is.
वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. I'm really indebted. I can't think of a single day without thanking each and everyone who makes me what I am, and they are here. A part of that is here, and it's all because
Vikrant,
of them.
tell me, was there ever a backup plan, or was there ever a plan apart from being an
Yeah, there was
actor?
always a
Do,
backup plan. There was always
do you
my
think you
backup
should
plan,
keep a
and
backup plan?
I think everybody should have a backup plan. I even
Really?
have a
Wow.
backup plan now. See, I don't know. I'm still exploring myself. I'm fairly young. I am sort of forming my own opinions and observing things. I've also heard people say, okay, if this is the only one thing that you want to do, you go for it all in. But I'm more of a little pragmatic guy.
Realistically, yeah.
I come from a certain place wherein we've had to earn our way up to an
For sure,
extent.
for sure, for
So
sure.
एक ये जो पुरानी कहावत है ना, रोटी कपड़ा मकान, इसकी वैल्यू है मुझे थोड़ी सी.
बिल्कुल,
ठीक है,
बिल्कुल.
बिकॉज इवेंचुअली इट कम्स डाउन टू दिस ओनली. आज आप ये देख लीजिए ना, क्वारंटीन में आज हम सब अपने अपने घरों में बैठे हैं. आर वी ऑल नॉट सिटिंग बैक एंड एनालाइजिंग कि यार व्हाट इज लाइफ और व्हाट इज आवर
What is
अंडरस्टैंडिंग
that?
ऑफ लाइफ.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल,
हम सब,
बिल्कुल.
आई थिंक दिस इज अ टाइम वेयर ऑल ऑफ अस आर सॉर्ट ऑफ, ऊपर वाले ने हम सबको बोला कि अपने अपने घरों में
इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग एंड
बैठो.
रेट्रोस्पेक्टिंग कि भाई जिंदगी है क्या, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग फॉर
जिंदगी है
अस.
क्या.
बिल्कुल,
So
बिल्कुल.
I am someone who always has a backup plan because pragmatically, no matter what, maybe because of my experiences, maybe I'm part bitter, but यार कोई किसी के लिए खड़े नहीं होता, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think you have to look after your own self by the end of it,
Absolutely.
and you have to look after yourself and your loved ones. So
And I think Vikrant, मैं बताऊं, I think when you also say this, it also really put things into perspective, especially for me, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि for a longest time I have believed कि, and people have told this because we see it in the books कि like you also said कि लोग कहते हैं कि if you're really passionate about something, just go for it. Do not forget that that is your passion. There should not be a plan B, because if you have a plan B, तो आप plan A के ऊपर उसी ढंग से काम नहीं कर पाओगे, because you'll always have something to rely back on. But मुझे लगता है
I
कि
don't
like you
agree with
said,
it. Yeah,
yeah, I also
I don't.
now I also changed. I take back my words because I've also been saying this for a really long time. कि, no, plan A, plan A. But I feel like realistically, if you have something to fall back on,
क्योंकि अगर
it
आपने
gives
आपने
you.
लाइक इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट थिंकिंग अबाउट प्लान बी. चलो मान लो अगर मैं जैसे एक नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास आदमी, जैसे मेरे जितने भी सारे दोस्त यार हैं, आई हार्डली हैव लाइक से आई कैन काउंट और माय एक्टर फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ऑन वन हैंड. ठीक है,
Yeah.
मतलब 2-3 दोस्त ही हैं मेरे. बट मोस्ट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स जिनके साथ मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ, पढ़ाई की है, जिनके साथ मैंने स्पेंड मोस्ट ऑफ माई टाइम, दे आर ऑल 9 to 5 गाइज. उनका एंटरटेनमेंट से दिस सो कॉल्ड फेम एंड ये जो फलाना ढिमकाना जो चीज़ है, उनका उनसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप, और उन लोगों को भी मैंने देखा है, अगर मान लो आप अपने आप को ये कहते हो कि चलो मैं किसी एक चीज को 1 साल देना चाहता हूँ, अपने पैशन को मैं 1 साल देना चाहता हूँ, या 2 साल या 3 साल देना चाहता हूँ, तो आप अपना 200%, अपना 100% दीजिए ना तभी वहां पे. इसका ये मतलब थोड़ी है कि अगर आपके पास प्लान बी है तो आप प्लान ए में मेहनत नहीं करेंगे, तो फिर वो कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ आपके अंदर है. अगर आप ये
बिल्कुल.
सोच रहे हो कि ठीक है, मैंने अगर अपने आप को किसी भी चीज के लिए, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, इफ इट कुड बी अ स्टूडेंट हु इज वांटिंग टू गिव himself or herself that 1 year or 2 years to study and attain a certain amount of grades and then go to the
Yes.
universities of their choice.
Yes. Yes.
uh,
Yes.
it could be that, as
Yeah.
mundane or as basic as that.
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक अगर आपने अपने आप को टाइम दिया है तो आप 100% दीजिए, बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि यू शुड नॉट हैव प्लान बी. My plan B was very simple. Most of my friends are not in the country. They've all flown away. But obviously we are still in touch because of social media and stuff. So I was going to be a flight purser. I was thinking कि चलो ठीक है, अगर कुछ नहीं होगा बाकी सारे दोस्तों की तरह I'll also become a steward in a flight. थोड़ी शक्ल वकल ठीक ठाक है, मतलब बात बात ही कर लेता हूँ तो फिर लोग हायर कर लेंगे. तो my
But
friends,
then
they were working with
we would
jet.
have really missed you, and we would have really missed you on screen.
अरे यार मैं travel करता ना यार.
फिर travel करता, yeah. Good for you, not for us, ना.
करता हूँ. But I think everything is written यार, वो ऊपर वाला बैठा है.
Yeah, I get. I also seriously believe in that. I feel like hard work and destiny both go hand in hand, and I think the fact that you have put in your effort and the rewards have been sweet is also because it was written somehow.
See, I always wanted to be an actor. When I was young, I always wanted to be an actor. My teachers, my principals, my family, there were no second doubts in their head कि अच्छा ये क्या करेगा, ये तो एक्टर ही बनेगा जाके, ये तो हीरो बनेगा, वो बोलते थे हीरो बनेगा. But in my head, I always had a backup plan कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो
तो मैं
I'll fly off to Dubai.
I'll travel.
You will not believe, it was to an extent I even found out all the procedures. I'll go to Dubai, I'll apply for Emirates or Etihad, and I'll work. That was my plan.
But that's also amazing because it's realistically it's possible कि आप life में कितनी बार आपको there are ups and downs and you should always keep it safe. A backup plan should always be intact. But like you said कि बचपन में your family also used to say कि ये actor बनेगा, hero बनेगा. Tell me कि उनका क्या review रहता है when they see you in a newer project? जब वो देखते हैं आपको screen पे तो वो उनका क्या? Are they your biggest critics? Are they your biggest fans?
No.
Do they tell you inputs?
When I talk of my family, my parents, not at all. मतलब they are very biased. उनको तो मतलब मैं कुछ भी करता हूँ, मेरी माँ को तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मेरी माँ को
Same.
And they are my litmus test for most of the audiences, to be very honest. I will not mince my words.
Yeah.
My parents are my litmus test for, मतलब अगर मान लो कि मुझे एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेनी है कि अच्छा लोगों को most of the people what would they be thinking, मैं सीधा इनको फोन करता हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स को. Besides the fact that they are biased, वो अपना feedback भी देते हैं. But Sheetal, who's my companion, my partner, my to-be wife, तो वो बहुत मुंहफट है यार.
वो she'll be,
तो वो
मेरा reality check.
हाँ, वो मेरा reality check है. तो I get a good balance of both the worlds and
what the audience wants and what is correct.
हाँ,
amazing.
हाँ, मतलब एक कहीं ना कहीं एक fair idea तो घर से ही मिल जाता है, I think.
But tell me, the family, like, of course, your mom, like you said, your mom is your biggest fan and she likes whatever you do. But tell me, of course, with every project, public recognition बढ़ती ही गई है, Vikrant. And I think now there are people who, like you said, they say you are their biggest inspiration. How does your family react to your public recognition? Because I feel like not that your grandfather was in theater, but I feel like when you're on a 20 screen, it gives you so much exposure. There's so many people with so many perspectives coming at you. So when you go on street, obviously you can't go on street and just do whatever because of people recognize you. So अब family का कैसा रहता है? I'm sure yeah, because ऐसा नहीं. I'm sure.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. I'll be very honest. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. ये पता नहीं एक लोगों का मानना है, but and not just me यार, मतलब the city I live in, Mumbai, I think यहाँ पे I have seen massive mega stars going about their life. आप सुबह जूहू बीच पे चले जाओ, आपको इतने सारे लोग वहां मिलेंगे. It's our home यार. तो यहाँ पे मतलब ऐसे.
But I'm sure कि मुंबई की exclusively बात है because if you would have been in Punjab right now where I am, so I'm sure कि people will go and you'll be like, oh, look at him, he's there.
लेकिन घर पे नहीं होता यार. मैं आज भी मतलब मैं जाता हूँ डीमार्ट जाता हूँ, राशन भर के आता हूँ, चल के जाता हूँ, नीचे पानी पूरी खाता हूँ, क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ अभी भी नीचे. तो ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ, बट वो बॉम्बे के बाहर वो इशू हो जाता है. बट आई थिंक ठीक है. मतलब also that is a sense of validation for what we work hard, right?
And Mumbai then keeps you grounded also. Your family keeps you grounded. ठीक है, you're still normal. Everything is all right. You're still going to team.
उनका reaction कैसे होता है? They are very proud यार. My mother is very proud. My father is very proud. But also at the same time, एक I don't know, they are very naive. बहुत naive है. I'm sure you will also feel the same for your parents, and especially when they
I
sort
think
of
yeah,
reach a
yeah.
certain age, you
Yes, for
sort of
sure.
grab, when you observe them, you're like, एक रोल रिवर्सल नहीं होता है जिंदगी में.
बिल्कुल हो जाता है,
Initially
बिल्कुल
it
हो
is
जाता है,
them who
for
teach
sure.
us everything, and then after we
Yeah.
are sort of, जब हम पढ़ लिख
In
के
the
थोड़ा आगे बढ़
game,
जाते
in
हैं,
yes, yes, yes.
yeah, तो फिर तब हम उनको फिर,
Absolutely.
my mother does not know about, the other day my mother initially when the lockdown started, she's like, बेटा घर की खिड़कियां बंद कर देना, और वायरस
How
घर के
sweet.
अंदर आ जाएगा.
How
I'm like, ऐसे
sweet.
नहीं होता है मॉम.
ऐसे नहीं
And then
होता
I
है.
had to sort of make her sit down.
Sit down,
And
yeah.
उनको इतने व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड्स आते हैं, वो दुनिया भर के व्हाट्सएप जैसे ही उनको आता है वो फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं. तो मैं उनको बोलता हूँ,
और वो बिलीव भी
डोंट
कर लेते
ट्रस्ट
हैं,
दिस.
वो बिलीव भी
बिलीव भी
कर
कर
लेते
लेते
हैं,
हैं. डोंट ट्रस्ट
बिलीव भी कर
दिस,
लेते
दिस इज डोंट ट्रस्ट दिस, डोंट ट्रस्ट दैट. तो वो बहुत नाइव है यार. वो तो उनके लिए तो उनका बच्चा कुछ भी करे उनके लिए अच्छा ही रहता है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द केस विद एवरी पेरेंट.
हैं.
But then I'm
Amazing.
very fortunate. I have very consciously sort of valued my relationships with my friends and my family. मेरे जितने भी दोस्त यार
That
हैं,
is amazing.
वो मुझे सीधा मुंह पे कहते हैं यार. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर वो मेरे वाकई सच्चे दोस्त हैं तो वो सीधा मुंह पे बोलेंगे, वो मुझे चढ़ाएंगे नहीं कि वाह भाई क्या काम किया है तूने. बिहाइंड माय बैक दे बी लाइक ना, क्या कर रहा है फालतू. Like how it happens most of the time. वो
You like it
I
like
don't
that. You
have
like
to.
it. You like them in being honest with you.
I might as well feel horrible for like a week or maybe a few days, and I'll be like, oh shit, मतलब ये क्या बोल के चला गया. But अगर वो वाकई सच है तो it will only help me get better ना यार.
Absolutely. I think that's very sorted of you to say that. But before we wrap this up, Vikrant, I ask this question to all of my guests, and मैं आपसे भी पूछना चाहता हूँ. And आप दिल से इसका आंसर दीजिए. हम हमेशा लाइफ में, and because you are an inspiration for so many people, I'm sure कि ये और भी उनको इंस्पायर करेगा. हम लोग अपनी लाइफ में एक थॉट या एक सोच, एक कोट अपने दिमाग में, it's like a tattoo in your head, and whenever you feel demotivated, that quote really like motivates you back to, it helps you just come back and like feel like kabhi kabhi ऐसे कुछ thoughts मैं पढ़ता हूँ, you're reading a book, you come across a quote that gives you like goosebumps. What is that one thing or one line that really kept you going all through this journey?
Yeah, I wouldn't say one thing or one line. And I am also not someone who's like high on adrenaline and yeah, I'll do this, I'll do that. I'm more of ठहराव वाला इंसान.
Therav, yes.
But one quote that really changed the way I see things on a day-to-day basis, and that involves my day-to-day existence or how I approach things, and through good and bad, through thick and thin, is that I think we are all minor blips in the history of universe. So this
wow.
was said by Robin Sharma, and he said we are all minor blips in the history of universe, and also by I think H.G. Wells or his brother, I don't know. They said that we are all only tenants on planet Earth. Don't take yourself so seriously.
Sure. I think it
हम सब tenants हैं
so
यहाँ.
many things. मतलब हम
We
I
don't
think
own
हम
this
लोग
planet. We don't own this place.
Yeah.
We are here as
Yeah.
tenants. We are only minor blips in the. We are only okay. That quote was like this. अभी याद आया. We are only minor blips in the history of the universe. So make sure that you shine the brightest even in that split second.
Wow. Wow. And I think it's if you think about it, so deep because it not only put things into perspective in a way कि आप इतने अपने
हम
आप
इतना
को
seriously लेते हैं ना अपने आप को.
इतना
हम
seriously
मतलब
ले लेते हैं हाँ.
ओवरऑल मतलब यस काम में सीरियसली लेना चाहिए, हेल्थ को सीरियसली लेना चाहिए, रिलेशनशिप्स को लेना चाहिए. मतलब मेरे वो कहने का मतलब नहीं है. बट आई एम श्योर
I
मोस्ट
know
ऑफ
when
दिस गाइस
you mean seriously, you mean like you take life in such a hard way. So you're just here as a tenant.
not just
Your
that,
life is
hard way नहीं. I think sort of for me, I might be offending a lot of people, but part superficial stuff like fame, पैसा, ये वो फलाना ढिमकाना, fan following and this and that. एक तो हम 70-80 साल के लिए आते हैं यहाँ पे. This world is like
as simple as that.
billions and billions of years old. हम कहाँ इतना सीरियसली ले रहे हैं यार. आए हो कुछ टाइम के लिए, आए हो अपना करके चले जाओ चुपचाप.
I think that was
Sorry, yaar.
superb. I think that was superb. I loved it. I loved it. You just said it the way it should have been said. Vikrant, thank you so much for doing
Lovely
this for
chatting,
Instant
yeah.
Bollywood.
Lovely
I think
Thank you, everyone.
I could have extended this chat for another 2 hours because
हाँ, मैं
I
भी
have
यार.
so many
I would.
I have so many
But we'll
questions
do another
personally
one
to ask
pretty
you.
soon, huh?
We should definitely do that. But मैं ये दिल से चाहता हूँ कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि quarantine के बाद you and your entire family, everyone comes out healthier, happier, and we are able to see Mirzapur 2. We are able to see everything part 2,
And more
2, 3,
empathetic,
10.
I hope. and more empathetic.
Yes.
I think we
For
need
sure,
to be
for
a little
sure.
more empathetic in life, na? Generally, thoda sa.
For sure.
I think we can
For
sort of
sure.
plug that in also.
Bilkul. Somebody's asking, please give a hint about Mirzapur 2. Do you have
Mirzapur
any
season 2. Okay. All I can say right now about Mirzapur season 2 is that we are in this. We are already in the second quarter of the year. Jan, Feb, March, April. Yeah, we are already in the second quarter of the year. So I think we should expect it somewhere by the end of second quarter or the initial beginning of the third quarter.
That is amazing. We have Mr. Mukesh Chabra who has also joined the live chat. He says, amazing actor and amazing human being. See?
And my childhood friend Aditya Narayan is also here.
Aditya Narayan is also here.
ये सारे कुत्ते आ जाएंगे अभी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. I think हमें बंद करना चाहिए.
आदित्य नारायण के गानों पे आजकल हम काफी डांस कर रहे हैं गोवा वाले क्योंकि I've heard 10 million times but
अभी 2 दिन बाद उसका एक और गाना आ रहा है. Watch that also.
amazing
2 दिन बाद
विक्रांत
आ रहा है.
thank you so
Take care.
much
But Mukesh ji,
बहुत शुक्रिया.
you know, he's one man who's been so instrumental in getting me what I have today.
I think Mukesh sir से हमारी he was the second person I got to interview on Instant Bollywood. I'm also fairly
You know,
new to doing this.
he has been testing me for nearly 8 years now. And he 8 साल से मैं उनके साथ टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. We've done a lot of work together. And he has made sure that, you know, whatever he thinks worthy of me, he always calls me.
Amazing. I think Mukesh Chabra sir, again, it was such an inspiring conversation that we had with you, sir, and also with you, Vikrant. I think
Thank you so much.
It's so refreshing. I have to say before we leave that it's so refreshing that, and as a compliment, you have not been phased with
You're really-
anything that has come with you, with your profession, fame, money, recognition. It has not phased you. It's so refreshing to speak to you.
ये
Thank you
सब
so much.
temporary है मेरे भाई. ये सब temporary है.
Thank you so much,
Lovely,
Vikrant. It was
lovely
lovely speaking to you.
Cheers.
And I
Cheers.
hope to
मैं भी जा रहा हूँ.
wish you good health and happiness.
You
Bye,
too,
bye.
everyone. Please stay safe. Please take care. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys really, really soon. To all those guys जिनको मैं personally address नहीं कर पाया, I'm extremely sorry. Thank you so much for all your love. Watch my movies and please watch all my shows. Since you're locked down, please जाइए because I'm an actor. I have to plug my work in.
We'll make sure we do that. Come back. Go watch everything and come back and show him all the love. Awesome.
Please, it's on Disney Hotstar. Shit, these guys will kill me. Chalo, bye.
Bye. See you. Bye.
Cheers.